Morgan Nicole here. We are at the Abiqua Falls Trail, and it's a short, just 0.8 mile out and back, but it is quite adventurous, and I'll take you guys along the way. This trail can be a bit of a challenge to find. You'll be going down a road, and off to the left-hand side, the trail just kind of starts. There's nothing to indicate that the trail is there, but you will see the sign that I just posted once you have been on the trail, and there's actually 2 of those signs along the way. Early on in the hike, there will be a point where there are 2 trails. You want to stay to the left-hand side and not take that right-hand side trail. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe and follow along for more hiking adventures. We passed the rope section and now we are at the river, and it's a very short little jaunt. Up there is the waterfall. One of the prettiest waterfalls in Oregon. It is actually currently for sale, but I think the state of Oregon is interested in buying it, so we'll see how that goes, but she's a beauty, and she is worth the adventurous trip to get here for sure. Just know what you're getting into before you come. You need a 4-wheel drive vehicle to get to the trailhead, or it adds on some additional mileage depending on where you park. But it is a fun trail, and it is stunning. And we're the only ones here. It's Thursday morning, so nobody else is here, which is really cool. We decided to go check out the upper falls area. The climb down and the climb back up was a lot harder than going to Abiqua Falls, but it was beautiful.